Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm going to make a wooden lamp from Bubinga Wood and I'm going to fit in some nice RGB LED strips. Now the first thing I have to do is cut up a piece of Bubinga Wood, and for this I'm using my bandsaw. Okay, so the next thing to do is to put the piece of Bubinga Wood into the wood turning machine so we can turn it into a nice cylinder. Here we go. And when that is done, I'm using some sandpaper to sand down the cylinder to give it a nice smooth surface. Okay guys, now before we continue this video, I want to have a quick word about today's sponsor, which is Raid Shadow Legends. Now, Raid has set the bar high and there's no going back. Use my links below to download Raid yourself to your mobile phone or PC. Now here are some new champions that I've been using myself. Now the first is Astralon, because he looks like he's wearing some of the items that I've cast in my previous videos. Also his skills let him land attacks while ignoring an enemy's protection buffs, and his passive skills slowly refill, allowing him to do extra attacks. The second is Cesia. She looks like a goddess of lava and can actually hit the whole enemy team with epic attacks. What's better is her attacks get stronger when any champion is on fire, making her pretty much unstoppable, just like lava. I'll be using these guys to fight and enjoy my free time. And this month, Raids got a bunch of new events to kick off the summer, including a bunch of brand new badass looking champions. And there's a new rotation of the Doom Tower that I'll be using the new champions to reach the top. So if you want to get into the fun and get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is click the link below or scan my QR code that is now in the screen to download Raid Shadow Legends. And if you're a new player, you will get 200,000 silver, XP booster, an energy refill, ancient chart and the epic champion. These rewards are only available to new players and only for the next 30 days. And you can find these rewards here in your inbox. Okay guys, now let's go back to the video. Okay, so now it's time to drill a hole in the cylinder, and it's important that this is done slowly so the drill bit is not damaged. The Bubinga Wood is quite hard and the drill bit is getting pretty hot. In real time this takes about 1.5 hours to drill that hole. Now, my initial plan was to make 2 lamps, that's why you see 2 cylinders, but because I had some setbacks, I changed my mind and decided to make only 1 lamp. Now, after cleaning my workbench, it was time to mark the spots where I needed to drill the holes. These holes will eventually emit light to make this cylinder into a lamp. Now, I also fitted some stainless tubing into the holes to make them stand out just a little more. Now, a short test of the LED strip to see if it's actually working before I fit it into the lamp. Now close up the holes with some duct tape to make sure the epoxy isn't leaking out. Inserting the LED strip into the cylinder. Making some epoxy and pouring it into the cylinder. After that, it needs to dry for 24 hours. Some final sanding and a nice clear coat to give it that extra shine. Now it's time to make the base of the lamp, and for this I'm using some oak. And also milling out a space for the power supply to hide in. Okay guys, so this is the final result. The wooden lamp made from Bubinga wood. And I have to be honest, it wasn't easy at all. I had to try multiple times to fill these holes with epoxy resin, and when I finally made it work, I saw that the light didn't shine through them perfectly. But hey, that's part of the process. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot more new stuff coming your way. See you in the next video. Bye bye!